window.
Kau tak masak Nari? Aku lapar lah.
Saya puasa.
Engkau puasa. Au! Aku tak puasa, aku lapar, masaklah.
That's your problem.
Aku tak kisah. Masak sekarang. Ambil ni. Shave your face before you cook.
Gemuk! Kalau dah lapar buruk. Muka macam maknya.
Oh my god, is that Shafiq Kyle? My god! Shafiq! Putih! Putih!
Wah, that's shaving.
Engkau tak sapu lantai, berhabuk tau.
I did. Yeah, it's dusty.
Pergi sapu lantai sekarang?
But I did.
Sapu!
Sakit.
Okey lah, aku tanya dia kan. Sapu tau.
Yeah, whatever.
Shafiq. Shafiq.
Oh, Shafiq. Oh, what are you doing? Ooh. Hey sayangku, hari ini aku cantik. Cantik bagai bidadari, bidadari di hatimu. Hey sayangku, perlakukanlah diriku seperti seorang ratu. Ku ingin dimanjakan.
Woi, aku suruh kau masak, kau tak masak. Aku suruh kau sapu lantai, kau tak sapu lantai. Kau pemalas Ha?
But
Kan pemalas.
Hi, hello there. My name is Putra Hassan. I want to know whose beautiful voice was that?
oh my.
It's mine. I'm a good singer. Yeah, I'm a good. You want to hear my voice? Macam mana lagu dia? Hey,
Oh my god, it's so outrageous. It's definitely not you. How about you?
Oh, me? You nak dengar suara I? My turn. Move. Hai. Nama saya Putih. Okay. Ready? Hey, Sha.
Wonderful voice. That is exactly what I'm looking for.
Wah, apa sih? She haven't even finished singing yet also.
That sounds like a short and sweet.
Oh, you suka suara I? Oh, okay, sit here. Oh, we have same color, hair color.
I nak tanya you sikit.
Tanya lah,
You nak masuk castle saya tak?
Masuk mana?
Castle saya.
Castle? Your castle? Oh, it's okay. I suka kat rumah ni lawa. Lagi lawa dari castle you. Castle you tak ada swing kan? Ada swing tak?
Tak ada.
Kita stay sini saja.
Yeah, some more right. Our house is very nice, you know. We went to Renopedia.sg, right? Then they link us up to this person, right? From 3D Innovations, They make our house very nice, got swing. Your castle got no swing, What kind of a castle are you? So what now? Marry,
Yes. Oh, kompang please.
I don't know how to kompang lah, no kompang.
Sound effects. Dah gemuk, bodoh. Cepat.
Paka, binga, bing. Paka, binga.
Okay, it's enough. I'm very hot right now. Switch on aircon, thanks. Cepat. You pergi ni manicure Very nice, you know. We can go manicure together.